we want to come to Fiji now. We want to come to Fiji.
On va suivre vous à travers tout le monde entier. Ouais. Oula!
Fiji Untold's all finished and the shows are done. We were just so taken aback by how many people came out to see it, and we were so grateful that both shows at Monto were completely sold out. It was so lovely to see the different mix of people that came to watch.
They have stayed up. It was so beautiful. It's words cannot tell. It's just from the heart.
It was amazing and lots of energy. From the beginning, I feel oh my God, it was incredible.
It's their first contact with Fiji culture, so it's a great experience to discover the country. And we want to know more now.
The dances, the atmosphere was very, very impressive.
I really love how the Fijian people come and represent their culture here in New Caledonia.
Ouais.
We came twice to the show. And
Et les deux
Stuart,
fois,
we love you. We love you, Stuart.
deux fois la chair de poule, quoi.
I think moments like what we had at Monto, you know, when we were outside and dancing with everyone, talking to them and getting to hear about their experiences, that's kind of like, you know, the end of the stick, the end of that experience of our interaction, and then from there, who knows. But it really makes me appreciate the beginning of that pipeline and how, you know, those dancers that just put on that show, they started out as people that came in through an audition in Tavu or Rakiraki or Suva or Nandi, and they were just young youths with a dream, and you know, they come in through the Conservatorium of Dance program, and it just makes me appreciate the magnitude of this whole structure, all to facilitate this moment of happiness, this moment of shared magic with people from another country, people we don't even speak the same language with, and running shows, whether we're at the Vol Hub, running all the shows at the Vol Hub, Fiji Untold, Mystery of the Missing Hat, From Fiji with Love, or Island Adventurers, to being in a touring team and taking the Fijian Flying Circus to New Caledonia or New Zealand or Tahiti or, you know, whatever other countries, all to facilitate this one shared moment of dancing together and holding hands and smiling and laughing with someone. It's a lot of effort. It is massive effort, and I think that it's a worthy and noble cause to dedicate one's life to bring happiness to other people.